So today we're gonna create a very yummy season-inspired dish made with this pumpkin, pears, rosemary, sage, a little bit of feta, vegan feta, and a little bit of honey. It's actually gonna be very easy, simple, one-pot dish. So let's get started. We're gonna start by preparing the butternut squash. Start by slicing it in half. And then carefully remove the outer peel of the butternut squash. We want to create like 1-inch slices. We're going to cut the pear. Then we'll add some of the herbs, some rosemary, a little bit of sage, chopped walnuts, a little bit of feta, vegan feta cheese. You can also take vegan cashew, camembert, or real camembert cheese, whatever you like, or blue cheese if you eat cheese. Pick the version that you like and enjoy. Optional is to add a little bit of honey. You can drizzle it on top so that it gets nice and caramelized. Then roast in the oven or air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it is ready. And a little bit of pomegranate molasses. I'm hungry. Time to eat. Let's try it.